BMWs are known for driving pleasure, but not every engine BMW made can go the distance. In a world where luxury cars often trade long-term reliability for high performance, a few BMW engines have proven they can run well past 250,000 miles and still feel tight and confident. And if you think all BMWs are ticking time bombs, wait until you see which of these power plants refuse to die. The last one on this list will change how you see BMW forever. Number 9. M70, 1987 to 1996. Before BMW was known for turbocharged sixes, there was the mighty M70, BMW's first production V12. Introduced in the late 1980s, this engine was a statement. It wasn't built for the masses. It was built to prove that BMW could stand shoulder to shoulder with Mercedes and even Ferrari when it came to engineering prestige. The M70 was a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V12, producing around 300 horsepower and silky smooth torque delivery. What made it unique wasn't just power, it was refinement. Each bank of 6 cylinders had its own management system, meaning 2 ECUs, 2 fuel pumps, and 2 of almost everything. It was basically 2 straight sixes joined at the hip. Despite the complexity, this engine earned a reputation for incredible longevity. When maintained by the book, these engines easily reach 300,000 miles. Many E32 750iL and E31 850i models are still running strong today, decades after production ended. The M70's internals were overbuilt, forged crankshaft, robust pistons, and nearly bulletproof cooling components. The only downside? Maintenance isn't cheap, and space under the hood is tight. But those who own one know it's worth every penny. The M70 isn't just reliable, it's a piece of history. It represents BMW's engineering peak before electronics and emission systems began to complicate everything. The M70 isn't an engine you own for convenience, it's one you own for pride. It's smooth, balanced, and powerful in a way only a V12 can be. It's the kind of motor that makes you turn around after you park, just to listen to it cool down. Number 8. M44, 1996 to 2001. Not every BMW engine has to be big to be impressive. The M44 is proof of that. Built between 1996 and 2001, this small 1.9-liter 4-cylinder powered cars like the 318i's and Z3, the kind of BMWs people bought for their balance, not their brute force. The M44 replaced the older M42, bringing key upgrades that turned it into one of BMW's most dependable engines ever. It had a stronger timing chain, a redesigned crankshaft, and improved intake flow. These changes made it smoother, more efficient, and, most importantly, tougher. Even though it's small, the M44 was built with the same precision and care as BMW's bigger engines. Its cast-iron block and aluminum head combo could take miles of abuse without flinching. Many owners still daily drive M44-powered cars with 250,000 to 300,000 miles on the clock, proof that simplicity and solid engineering often outlast complexity. Maintenance is straightforward. Oil changes, cooling system checks, and fresh belts keep it running strong. There's no turbo, no direct injection, and no nonsense. Just honest, old-school reliability. The M44 might not win any drag races, but it wins the long game every time. It's the underdog of BMW engines, small in size, big in endurance. Number 7. M57, 2006 to 2013. If the M54 was smooth and refined, the M57 is all muscle. This diesel powerhouse is one of the toughest engines BMW ever built. It's known for massive torque, long-distance endurance, and unbelievable fuel economy. It's the kind of engine you'd expect in a truck, yet it delivers all the sophistication of a BMW. The M57's secret is in its construction. With a forged steel crankshaft, beefy connecting rods, and a cast-iron block, it's designed to take punishment. Diesel engines work harder than gas ones, higher compression, more stress, and this one handles it without breaking a sweat. Many owners report these engines running past 400,000 miles with proper care. That's the kind of reliability truck owners brag about, not typically BMW drivers. Of course, maintenance is key. The M57 likes clean oil, quality fuel, and occasional attention to its emissions components. Keep the EGR and DPF systems clean, and it'll easily outlive the car it's in. When neglected, those systems can cause problems, but the core engine itself is nearly indestructible. It's no wonder diesel fans call this the tank. It may not sound exotic, but it's the definition of practical power, reliable, strong, and efficient. The M57 was BMW's quiet masterpiece, built for people who wanted torque, efficiency, and longevity in one package. Number 6. M50 V12, 1991 to 1996. Back in the early 90s, BMW built something special, the M50 V12. It replaced the older M20 engine and instantly showed that BMW wasn't cutting corners. The company wanted strength, refinement, and reliability in one package. So they gave this engine a cast-iron block, an aluminum head, and dual overhead cams, a design built to last longer than most of the cars it powered. Every part of the M50 feels solid. The engine was known for its smooth revs and its ability to handle abuse. Even after hundreds of thousands of miles, many still idle like they just rolled off the line. Owners often say this engine will keep running long after the car's body gives up. It's overbuilt in the best possible way, like BMW decided to prove a point about engineering. The M50 doesn't need fancy electronics or constant tuning. Just give it clean oil, watch the cooling system, and it'll reward you with reliability few engines can match. You could say it's the Toyota 2JZ of BMW, simple, durable, and easy to live with. It may not have the flashiest specs today, but it's a legend among enthusiasts who value old-school toughness. Number 5. M60, 1992 to 1998. The M60 is BMW's comeback to the V8 world after a long pause since the 1960s. Introduced in the early 90s, it powered some of BMW's best Grand Tourers, the 540i, 740i, and 840ci. It wasn't flashy or loud. It was confident, quiet, and incredibly refined, the kind of power you felt more than you heard. The M60 featured an all-aluminum block, dual overhead cams, and 4 valves per cylinder, all cutting-edge for its time. It delivered smooth, effortless torque that made big BMWs feel light and agile. Some early versions had issues with Nikasil cylinder linings when exposed to high-sulfur fuel in the US, but once that was fixed, this engine's reliability became almost legendary. The M60 is known for running like clockwork when properly maintained. Regular oil changes, fresh coolant, and quality fuel keep it healthy for decades. Many examples still run strong past 300,000 miles without needing a rebuild. It's the kind of engine that doesn't need drama, it just gets on with the job. In a way, the M60 represents BMW's golden balance between strength and sophistication. It was powerful enough to excite, yet refined enough for luxury. And unlike many modern V8s, it never tried too hard. The M60 showed how refined a BMW V8 could be, smooth, strong, and quietly confident. But long before that, BMW had already mastered endurance with something simpler. To understand where that reliability came from, we need to go back to the roots. Enter the M30 V35, the iron legend that built BMW's reputation for lasting power. Number 4. M30 V35, 1977 to 1992. Before BMW became a symbol of luxury performance, it earned its reputation for durability, and that came from the M30 engine. Built from the late 1970s through the early 1990s, the M30 V35 was the beating heart of BMW's classic lineup. It powered everything from sporty sedans to stately Grand Tourers, proving that simple design and strong materials go a long way. This was BMW's Iron Age, literally. The M30's cast-iron block and robust crankshaft were engineered to take serious abuse. It wasn't about chasing high horsepower or fancy tech. It was about making an engine that could outlive the car. Many owners joke that you can park an M30 for years, add fresh oil, and it'll fire up like nothing happened. It's easy to see why enthusiasts still call it the Big Six. The M30 isn't just reliable, it's rebuildable, tunable, and timeless. Its simple fuel injection, basic ignition, and rock-solid mechanicals make it a dream for DIY mechanics. There are examples running today with over 500,000 miles, proving that BMW once built engines with tank-like endurance. The M30 V35 represents BMW's engineering philosophy at its purest. Overbuild it, simplify it, and let it run forever. It's not just an engine, it's a piece of history. When you hear one idling, that deep mechanical hum tells you everything about BMW's golden era of design. This engine didn't just move cars, it helped build a brand. Number 3. S50, 1992 to 1999. The S50 is the engine that defined a generation of BMW performance. Introduced in the early 1990s, it powered the E36 M3, the car that turned BMW's M division from a niche tuner into a global icon. This was the era when engineers cared about how a car felt, not just how fast it was. The S50 was a 3.0-liter inline-six at first, later expanded to 3.2 liters. It featured individual throttle bodies, dual vanos, and one of the smoothest power bands ever made. It revved freely past 7,000 RPM and sounded mechanical, raw, and pure, the kind of noise that reminds you driving is supposed to be emotional. And while it's a performance motor, it's also surprisingly durable. Owners who've taken care of their oil and cooling systems regularly report 250,000 miles or more. The secret lies in its over-engineering, strong internals, high-quality materials, and design simplicity that made it easier to maintain than later M engines. Yes, it demands attention, vano seals, timing chains, and regular servicing. But when maintained, the S50 rewards you with reliability few high-performance engines can match. Number 2. S65 V40, 2008 to 2013. The S65 isn't just an engine, it's a statement. BMW built it at a time when most automakers were chasing turbo efficiency, yet this 4.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 came straight from racing DNA. It's a smaller cousin of the S85 V10 used in the M5 but tuned for sharper response and lighter weight. The result was pure mechanical art, an engine that screamed to 8,400 RPM and begged to live in the upper revs. This motor feels alive in a way few modern engines do. It revs instantly, sings like a race car, and connects the driver to the car's soul. Every press of the throttle reminds you this wasn't built for comfort or economy, it was built for feel. The S65 made the E92M3 one of the last truly raw driver's cars. Of course, every legend has its demands. The S65 requires proper oil analysis and rod bearing replacement, and it rewards those who take care of it. Neglect it, and it can be costly. Maintain it, and it becomes one of the longest-lasting performance engines BMW ever made. Many owners have crossed 250,000 miles and still hit the red line with confidence. That's no accident. It's precision engineering built to endure. The S65 marks the end of an era, BMW's last naturally aspirated M engine. It represents everything enthusiasts love about the brand: sound, soul, and spirit. It proves that even a high-revving V8 can last a lifetime when it's cared for right. Number 1. N55, 2009 to 2016. When BMW introduced the N55, enthusiasts were skeptical. Turbocharging had replaced the naturally aspirated 6 that BMW fans knew and loved. Many thought reliability would take a back seat. But the N55 proved everyone wrong. This was the turbo engine that showed BMW could still build something that lasts. The N55 was a 3.0-liter inline-six with a single twin-scroll turbocharger, direct injection, and variable valve timing. It was smoother, cleaner, and more efficient than its predecessor, the twin-turbo N54, which was notorious for high maintenance costs. The N55 fixed most of those issues while keeping the same punchy performance. What makes the N55 special is balance. It blends modern tech with the solid reliability of BMW's old-school engineering. When maintained properly, regular oil changes, high-quality fuel, and timely spark plug replacements, these engines easily clear 250,000 miles. Many owners claim they've reached that mark without touching the turbo or internals. Its secret lies in simplicity. By switching from a twin-turbo to a single twin-scroll setup, BMW reduced complexity and heat buildup, two major reliability killers. The result is an engine that performs like a sports car but lives like a commuter. It's powerful when you need it, quiet when you don't, and dependable if you treat it right. The N55 is proof that even in the age of turbos, BMW can still build a heart that beats for the long haul. These engines remind us why BMW earned its reputation for engineering excellence. They may be from different eras, but they share one thing: they were built to last. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. This is Vroom Diagnosis. Thanks for watching and drive smart.